Hello, my name is Richard. I am 30 years old. I live in Ciénega, Boyacá, with my wife and two children. I have a daughter in kindergarten and one son in first grade. They both attend public school. My telephone is 318 7130159. Gmail is adricemo4@gmail.com. My wife is nurse. I am studying at university. I do not like painting. In my free time I play soccer and watch TV films. I like listening music. My favorite singer is Nirvana. My family live in Tunja. My father is dead. Your name is Robert. I am 57 years old. My mother is Flo. She is merchant. She is beautiful woman. She is 52 years old and she is very special. I have a sister. My sister is pastry chef. She works in bakery in Ciénega. His name Maritza. She is 26 years old and has two children. They are 6 and 2 years old. She is like with my husband. She is Salasman. Ask